Hey guys, Rob here. I'm coming to you with another video. You guys know I like to bring you solutions to problems. I've got one. And say hello in the comments below to my son Ira. He's working the camera today. Today, we're going to talk about limited connectivity. Now, this happened to me. I got the YoloBox Ultra cage. I have a cage for all of my devices that need one, especially the YoloBox devices, because they're just so handy. And I create director's monitors. But I went to film a video about that today. You can see it's all set up. 3 cameras going everywhere, and I couldn't connect. I just got through getting a limited connectivity error. What is it? Why do they happen, and how do you fix it? Well, I'm going to share all that with you today in about 7 minutes. You have to bear with me. I can't go any faster, guys. And this is the type of stuff that stretches you. You don't want to learn this because it's boring, but if you don't know it, you will be doomed when it happens to you. This is not something to yell or scream about. This isn't a YOLO live problem. They didn't get mad at you, Frank or Zoe or Josh didn't kick you and say you suck today. This is not a them problem. This is simply a firmware update or a network settings reset issue that gets out of sync with your timing. It can happen for many reasons, and it happens all over the place. The difference is most of the time your devices aren't locked out so that you can't manually adjust them. Can you get to your Android settings on YoloBox? Most of you can't. I'm going to share with you how to do that today. That's a video about it. So come on over here. Let's take a look at what it's actually happening. Thanks a lot for your help today. Ira, thumbs up for my son behind the camera. Today, I want to show you what this looks like. Ira, are you zoomed in so they can see the screen? Mm-hmm. Okay, perfect. Now, I'm going to come down here from the top right, and I'm going to come over here to my network settings. I want to make sure that you can see I'm connected to a network, and it says limited connection. Can they see that on your screen, Ira? Okay, perfect. That limited connection means that you won't be able to sign in for anything because there's a synchronization mismatch, right? And that's never any fun, right? So how do we fix that? Well, we do it a couple of different ways, but now that we know what it is, we can't even sign in because I can't connect to a network. So if I was going to sign in, it wouldn't happen. And why am I signed out? Because you might have tried signing out through a hardware reset and a factory data reset, which resets all of your settings. So here's what we need. Do we see the keyboard, son? Yep. Okay, great. We've got the keyboard. We need to access our settings, right? We can't get to them. We're going to hit the button, the Windows button, and in. Notice that we now have a new screen. This is a secret shortcut to get you to your actual slide down notifications for actual Android 12 or the custom version, whatever it might be, that YoloBox is running. Now, we've got that, and we have these menu buttons here, the triangle, which is the back, the stop, and then, or the home button, and then the triangle button, forward, back, stop, close, all that stuff. This is a Android 12 version or whatever. Anyways, just so that you know what you're looking at. Here's our first clue that we've got the problem with the mismatch. Check it out. It says Thursday, December 11th. I don't know about you, but I don't know if it's just after Pearl Harbor Day. Come over here, slide down. You can play with these settings some other time and go to your settings in the bottom right corner. When you get to that, you can search date and time, or you can come down here to system. Can they see system, son? Great. We click system, and now we're going to go to date and time and check out what time it thinks it is, December 11th, 2025. Now, the reality is I've already fixed this problem, but most of the time, this little green indicator will be turned on, which is use network provided time. The time is so far out of sync that the network provider is not allowing the device to connect. It needs an administrator because, well, of course it does. You, the user, can't fix it yourself, so that's what it's trying to look for. In this instance, small out of synchronization times won't be a problem. A day or so maybe won't be a problem, but a month or so like this would be. So we come over here and we turn it off, and now we're going to come to where it says date and put the date back on the actual date. Whatever date today is, I think it's the 23rd, July, and I believe it's 1:50 by my clock, okay? When we do that, we should be able to come back out to the system, scroll down from the top, go to apps and notifications. We've got one app, tap on it, go to open. This is how you get back to your YoloLive launcher. It's gonna tell you Palm error. That means Palm rejection. Don't worry about that. That's because we're plugged into the USB with a keyboard. You can also plug a mouse in if you want to. When we come up here and go to our network settings and go to network test, look at this. Beautifully, it's working one more time. Now, we'll let this finish up. Son, come on back to the front. While it finishes up, everything is good to go. We can sign in, do everything that we want to do. Look how easy that was. But there's an even easier way but it's not usually the way that's going to help you when you're on location. I stream at the beach, I stream in barns, I stream at people's offices, I stream in parking lots, I stream at airfields, I stream all over the place. Which one of them ever has an available RJ45 jack for me, also known as Ethernet? None for me. I don't ever have it. So the easiest way to reconnect the synchronization is actually just to plug your Ethernet port directly into the back of a modem. You're good to go. That will normally reset the entire issue. However, if you don't have that, the next best thing you could do is use the USB cable with a direct connection to your cell phone. However, if that doesn't work, the very next thing you're going to need to do is what we showed today. Remember, the keyboard shortcut is Control in. There are many reasons that this could happen, not the least of which is a firmware update. When you have a huge firmware update, it often resets the network settings for some reason or the time for some reason, generally because there's a lot happening, and this happens more often when you go from 1 or 2 generations or more, which is what happened to me. I haven't used my YoloBox Ultra. Well, I haven't updated the firmware because I don't always update the firmware. That's a me thing. And I haven't updated it so it had 2 generations or more to jump. It went through a big jump, and that's what caused this time synchronization issue for me. Once again, this isn't a Frank, this isn't a Zoe, this isn't a Josh Gately, this isn't a yelling, YoloBox sucks, kick it in the ding dong and throw it out the window. This is simply the cost that you have to charge your clients for in knowledge. Like, to be a professional streamer, you should know this. So now you know. I hope this helped you. Thanks a lot for watching. Go ahead and leave a like for my son Ira down in the comments below, and I will catch you all on the flip side. Bye for now.